It's cute.
Mhm.
I saw one of my students long time ago, yeah. They are making kind of like sticker. So they draw that, yeah.
Yeah.
These students draw looks like that, and then become sticker by using kind of like glue sticker.
Oh, glue
Mm,
stick.
yeah, glue sticker.
Oh,
Yeah, I was like, that's pretty. You can add something in our slide after this talk. So you that you know the next one, yeah, after the speed, yeah, you got the speed a little bit standard, yeah, not yet fast, but already standard, not long again. That's good. Uh the next one is how you are going to put idioms. What is idioms? Idioms is something that consists of several words, but then it creates a new meaning.
okay.
Yeah, like say like this. Uh, don't judge people by its cover. Means don't see people from the performance, from how do they look, but see from the heart. Yes,
Like that. Okay.
yes, that is idiom. Okay. And here there are lots of idioms that you are going to learn. Yeah. And these are some. My expectation is that you can write the sentences over this one, but you gotta put this. You have been writing before, right? Several writing, right? I want you to continue that, adding the idioms that I give in here. A blessing in disguise, a dime a dozen, beat around the bush, better late than never, bite the bullet, recollect, call it a day, like that. Before that, I would like to ask you whether you get the meaning or not. Their meaning that you don't understand from the English meaning. You see the idioms and then it has the meaning, right?
Ah,
And mm, I would like, if you know that in Korea, that would be good.
I just read in Korea.
Yes.
Uh, yeah. If for example, with it, we call it items, right?
What is it? Yeah.
We we
And
call it
idioms in English it is idioms. Yeah.
items.
Uh,
So if for example, there a blessing in this quiz. It is in Korea called Cheonghwa
oh, okay.
Yeah.
So then it has some in here, right? I don't
Yeah.
know if you know that in Korean, you can write in Korean in here. If you know, yeah. If you know, yeah. If you
Okay.
don't know, don't put. Okay. Now the first one is I would like you to read, yeah, from number one until number seven, only the idioms. You don't have to read the meaning. Very well. You can start.
Number one, a blessing in disguise.
Disguise.
Disguise. A blessing in disguise. Number two, a dime a dozen. Number three, beat beat around the bush. Number four, better late than never.
Mhm.
Number five, bite the bullet. Number six, break a leg. Number seven, call it a day.
Right. So it has all the meaning and then it's all also having kind of like now the next one is for you to make the sentence, yeah, over this one, but put it into your writing. So would you mind reading one of your writing to you?
One of my writing? Where?
Yes, the one in the book. I think you
One
have
in the
only
book?
two. Until now, you didn't get the previous book, right?
Previous book, yes.
You found it?
No, 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 no.
Hmm. Let's choose the one that is about the last one that you wrote is about a journey of food in 5 continents.
A journey of food. Here.
Yes. From there, I would like you to put each one of these, one or two, put somewhere, yeah, or you add the story. Yes, I will get this. Ah, a blessing in disguise. Which one that you wanted to use anyway?
Um,
You have this story, so you if to refresh you,
yeah.
yeah. And then I will get some this slide. I will copy and put a bit in here. Um, picture so you can see. Where do you want to put this in your writing? Up to you. Okay. You can add up first into your writing book. Yeah. Sayul, I would like you to copy those for those seven idioms into your notebook.
Okay. Miss Nina,
Yes.
only write items and not meanings?
If you don't know the meaning, you write, but short
Uh,
one.
okay.
The meaning is just the short meaning ya, Soyul ya.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. A blessing in disguise. There are thousands of idioms, yeah. That's why I don't ask you to make sentence, but I want you to understand the meaning, asking me if you don't understand, and then insert into your writing the one that you already made. Yeah.
Okay.
You were talking about food in several countries, also the places, the habitat. So I wanted to go to Australia so much.
Australia?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Totally?
But it will cost me a lot, and I don't know. You know that I was living there before, right? And then my mom already went there again. My sisters already 3 times, and I I'm always busy. My mom, she cannot speak English, yeah, Soyo, but she
Uh,
goes but she goes to many countries.
oh,
Yeah, she likes to travel, and now she's old.
mm, okay, done.
Then, right. So, in the world, there are 5 continents. Each has each has varied of cultures and languages. They are spreading all over the world. Among them, food is representative of the culture of a really important country. Food has changed in various ways from country to country. Each includes its own taste and preference. It also includes health. First, let's take an example of Italy. A little bit of wine is included in some Italian food. A little bit of wine is good for 1 or 2 plates of food. A little of wine is okay to drink for 1 or 2 cups a day because it is not bad for your health. Well, you have to continue of it. Yeah. Would you mind reading? The next is
The,
uh,
okay. The next is Korea. Korean food usually contains all the nutrients, for example, carbohydrate, protein, and more in one plate. Korean eats all these nutrients in one plate, one plate. One common sense, it needs to chew slowly to gain less weight. Anyway, let's take a look at food from other countries. All people and living things live in different biomes. All creatures adapt to their
Sayal,
living
sayal.
environment.
All creatures, all
All
creatures.
creatures, all creatures adapt to their living environment. There are many ways to adapt, but one of them is to change their house. For example, people live in cold Antarctica built on ice house called an igloo. There there must be people changing their houses like this, then what you think?
Right. There must be possibility to put 2 of the idioms inside.
Two of idioms, two.
You write down first in your book. Yeah, where you have this writing, right?
Yeah, yes, I have it.
So you look, and I think I will put in between this or in another place after this or at the end of the sentences. Up to you. Think first. You have 5 minutes to do that. Yeah.
Yep. Mm, think a dime. I think a dime a dozen is better to put in some paragraphs.
A dime.
We must choose a dime a dozen.
Hmm. And then you will put where?
Mm,
Number 1, 2, 3, 4.
um, come on, come on, come on. Number 4.
Where?
Num,
Okay.
num, number 4. Number 4.
At the end.
Yes, a dime. Yes.
And how would you like to make it the sentence?
Mm, a dime a dozen. 잠깐만.
Yeah, a dime a dozen, but that you have to make sentence like it's a dime a dozen, like that, because
A dime a dozen. I like that.
because the meaning is common, right?
Yes,
Because why it is a dime a dozen?
because
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 all of them live there, right?
no,
This is talking
because
about
all
people. Uh,
igloo.
because all people live in.
People, all people live in igloo. Pe- all people in Antarctica live in igloo.
Like that. So you have to put these idioms in a sentence to be add somewhere. Very well. The second one.
Second one.
Yes. Second one. Is it a blessing in disguise? A dime a dozen done? Beat around the bush? A beat around the bush is not telling the truth. Like kind of like uh you don't want to tell straightforward like Miss Nina, your class is so tiring every time. So you were talking about, I know your lesson is going around.
Uh,
That
it,
beat
it
around the bush,
so beat around the bush is like
not talking straight forward like uh
so saying like good meaning, for example, Miss Nina, you're look so young like this.
uh it's not telling the lie, no, but not doesn't want to say like someone like did you take my handphone, but she was saying no, i I don't know what time, not sure like that. Yeah.
Those
It,
ah
yeah, so doesn't want to, just doesn't want to say because it's uncomfortable. Yeah.
comfortable. I see. In number 3, beat around the bush. Beat around the bush in number 3. Number 3. Before anyway, let's take a look at these sentences.
So where do you want to put?
Bush or beat
Beat
around the
around the
bush.
bush. Where? In where?
Number 3.
In number 3.
Number 3, before the sentence that starts with anyway, let's take a look at
Yeah, and then who beat around the bush? The children?
no. My
Mm?
my talking.
Oh, then I
I
talk.
I
I talk or I beat
around the bush
around the bush. Why?
because that common sense is not really
Because that is nonsense. That
nonsense.
nonsense. Okay. Yeah. So you know that, yeah? So that's how we are going to use this all things, yeah, inside inside our writing. So somehow now I would like you to use all, yeah. So it can give you more practice all in between 1, 2, 3, 4 until 7. But you can skip the one that you already make. Okay? Okay. You already make number 2 and number 3, yeah?
Number 3.
Yeah, 2 and 3 already. So you do 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, but making sentence. So the
Yep.
sentence must be passive voice.
Only passive voice?
No. Number 4, you have to use subject plus must be plus verb in. That's possibility. Number 5, you have to use subject plus must have plus EP. That's the rules, right? And here is subject plus modals. After modals, what? What verb?
Verb. Subject, models. Models is like a should. Like
Yes.
this one.
Yes, verb word.
Um.
And here is subject plus used to plus verb. Okay.
Number 1 is passive. Number 1 is passive voice.
Number 1 is passive voice.
I have passive voice.
You can make it either present tense or past tense, up to you.
Okay.
You know that it's different, right?
So we can make sentence for we can make sentence like this. For example, it is blah 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 because blah blah blah, like this.
But it is in passive voice. I think it's a bit hard for you to make passive voice. Just active voice first. Because using idiom is not that easy. voice. So just like, yeah. Uh, Actually, I thought that it is a blessing in disguise. Like that. That's my sentence, yeah, Soyo. I thought it's a blessing in disguise, but then actually it is so good.
Recollect means good luck, right?
Yes. Recollect.
Recollect.
Recollect, Soyo.
So why
I say because you have to do something. This is
why
a bit,
why we call it recollect?
yeah, it's something looks like bad,
Recollect.
yeah. It looks like bad, but actually it's something to give, encourage someone.
Oh, recollect. Oh,
So your look is, I have student just like you, but character so different. You are soft, but she is like a rough one, and then she's very brave, very whatever she has in her mind, she would say it. Her name is Hyun Jung, but she's already high school now.
high
And
school.
I thought her a long time ago. Hyun Jung. So looks like Min Jung, Soo Kyung.
Miss Nina.
Yes,
Yes, yesterday I went to Ayam Mall.
yes. In Tanjung
Ayam Mall,
Barat ya.
yeah, that in the Tamas,
Oh,
and
Delta.
yeah, and I bought Nintendo Switch Sports.
You bought what?
Ni- Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Switch,
You you
Nintendo
will
Switch Sports.
you
Sport.
you will play with your mother and father.
No, because it is for Children's Day.
Ah, yeah, but then you can play. I heard that your mother also likes to play game, right?
Yes. Yeah, but
It-
but
it's
her
not common,
favorite
you
one
know.
is, yeah, pretty.
Your mother is the only mother that likes to play game. I've been teaching hundreds of Korean students, but it's the first time that my students say the mother likes to play game.
Well, my mom's favorite game is golf.
Golf.
Yeah,
Ah.
in Nintendo Switch Sports there are golf too, so she.
Yeah, so that's why she support. Yeah.
Mhm. What is Miss? What is call it a day means?
Call call it a what?
Call it a day.
Call it a day.
Yeah.
Call it a day is like you were having project, yeah, but then you feel so tired and then I'm going call it a day. That means just stop like that.
Just like stop. Okay.
Just stop. When people got tired or too bored with something, I'm going call it a day like that. Means just quit. When I was young, I was like that. Already how many? You only make 5 sentences. Okay. Stop the recording. Yeah. Okay, you may say sorry.
Number one. I
Mm,
comfort him and talk idioms about the blessing in disguise because he becomes desperate.
okay, and then the next one.
So number four,
Mm,
number four, I must be talking to him idioms about better late than never because he always do not keep his promise.
okay, and then the next one.
Number five, I must have accepted his charming personality and think bite the bullet.
And then.
Then number six,
Mm,
Amy should say break a leg to me because I experience bad things.
right. And then.
And then number seven, my mom used to rest her work and confess to me, call it a day.
Okay. That will do. Okay, thank you, Sayul. So it's a new things, yeah. Next time we will do other items, yeah, to make fun of our, what is it, yeah, that it's something that people think that it is quality. Okay, bye. I'll see you. Oh, Thursday, yeah.
There's Thursday.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
bye
yeah.
bye.
Bye-bye.